So here's an example of, instead of using a mock-up, just actually using Photoshop to kind of tweak with your movie poster or whatever it is that you're trying for. So what I've done is I've downloaded this image, and the main reason I picked this is I kind of like the fact that there were multiple movies listed, and I also like that this one was plain. The reason I like this one being plain is it's going to give me the ability to go in and get rid of these words pretty easily, because it's going to be easier to blend what poster I put on here if this is blank. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in, I'm going to fill with content aware. Oh, did not care about that. That's not what I wanted. Let's actually do the paste or the patch tool instead. So I'm just going to highlight over this. Now this is just one technique to do it. You can experiment with other things to be able to do something here. It's looking good. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is going to be a small image. All right, cool. So now that I have that, I've got the movie poster. Now what I can do with something like this is if I just paste it on here, it looks kind of cheesy. So I can start playing around with some of the blending modes. We like multiply. Ooh, that's starting to look a little bit better. Linear burn, yeah, some of those, not so much. So I'm just going to try multiply, and I'm going to transform it a little bit. Bottom's a little funky. I'm going to mask out that little bit and reverse it. There we go. And I might even, if it's not matching up exactly, I can transform. So I just press Control T to transform. I'm going to use this free transform. We haven't messed with that in a while. So I'm just going to try to make it to where the edges aren't perfect. Following along with the actual pieces there. All right, so I'm zoomed way the heck in. I'm at 500%. So when I zoom out, not going to look as bad. Actually, it looks like it's kind of tied in with the other movie posters. And then I would just save that as a JPEG and put it onto my Weebly page.